I got a crazy income idea, so I want you to follow the steps. We're going to be stealing ethically popular, very successful art from Instagram accounts, from museums, from apparel art, you name it. And we're going to be using that as a point of reference to create our own viral designs. And then with zero investment, we will start selling our own unique products to millions of people. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So the first step is to do our research like we do with most of our videos, and we're going to perform. And especially if you don't have any clue about art like I do, we want to understand a bit the dynamics, what are the trends, what people love to wear or buy regarding art, right? And I'm not just talking about paintings on a wall. I'm talking about prints and posters, collectibles and merch specific clothing and accessories like denim jackets or Huris, Crocs that are very popular fern and home, decor, or even NFTs, right? But for this specific video, we're going to focus on things that people can buy and hold, right? Real items. After doing that and understanding a bit what kind of items you would like to focus, write them down in a list and then go to Instagram, Pinterest and Etsy and start scrolling by, checking specific different styles like pop art, for example. Etsy is giving me some super popular items like this oversized denim jacket with its design on the back. And you can see also right here, different kind of styles, approaches on Pinterest, for example. I saw some amazing Crocs that are pop art decorated and look super, super cool. And on Instagram, you can find specific designs. Like, for example, all I did right here is to check about pop art culture. Pop art found this artist, for example. How unique is this, right? What if we get that design? I'm going to screenshot it like this. I would save this item so I can use it later with AI to reimagine the whole thing. I would love to create something with this one as well. I will screenshot this one as well. I will save it in my disk, and you can continue doing your own research and visualize the items that you would like to create with similar styles and similar art. And you can also check the hashtags that these guys, the artistic guys, are using in order to research in multiple accounts and find different inspiration, like this one, which is a cyber punk art. But I absolutely love, you know how much I love cyber punk, so why not take this design as well? So you got the idea, right? You make your research, see what items have high sales on eBay, Etsy, or are very popular on Pinterest, like this design, for example. I'll save that too. And after doing that, we're moving to step number 2, which is to create our own unique art. So the next step is to get the existing art that we got out of our inspiration journey and go to Free Pexels. Picasso, that you have this option right here that says reimagine. So all you got to do is go to upload. You see here different kind of items that I've created before based on existing inspiration. So I will select this piece of art. You can even select different kind of style. Like make it more surreal, make it more illustrative, right? Or just use no style. If you just wanted to come up with something on its own based on the reference image, and check it out. This is something that looks very similar, right? Let's go with wild imagination and hit reimagine again and do that as many times as you want until you find something that really looks great. Now, if the free pick has a limit, you can go to Canva Dreamlab and do the same thing, like add your image style reference. Right, here's style reference, upload file. Let's go with this one, select the style. I'll go with creative, please reimagine the attached visual. You can give instructions. In this tool, comparing to free, where you just upload the image, select the style, and it comes with an outcome here. You can describe exactly what you would like to create. You see that? It's similar style. This looks really, really cool, right? Check this out. So maybe I can say, make it look like a Viking holding his axe, hit create, and let's see. So check this out, for example. It's really cool, right? So why not download this image and use it in one of the designs that we're going to create with specific products that can make some noise. So you can do the same with all the different images that you have selected, like this shoes that we downloaded. And you should continue experimenting, invest some time to come up with some amazing designs. So for example, I love that one when I saw it, if it really matches your style and your aesthetics. And then I went to Canva Dreamlab and I asked it to reimagine this design, make it look like a unicorn. Another phrase, keep dreaming, and check the designs. They look super cool, right? I mean, obviously this is a bit more female kind of design, but I'm pretty sure that many people could wear that on a denim jacket, right? Or even in a poster in a beautiful room, or different items. And I'll show you how to find the best ones. So we're going to download this one as well. And we're going to go to Printify, which gives you the opportunity to create an endless list of up to 1,000 different products. It's 100% free to use and takes away the whole headache of finding the products, getting the samples, storing the products, sending them to the customers. when they buy it, all you got to do is focus on the creativity part. Choose smartly a great lineup of products, and then I'll show you how to reach millions already to buy customers without even having an audience. So you can have a look here and see what kind of items are the best sellers right now, which gives you a good indication of what exactly is being sold globally. You create your account and start browsing in the catalog in different categories, which is great if you want to choose a specific thematic. So for example, if Women's Day is coming, you can create a lineup specifically for women with a beautiful code, with an inspiring, empowering code. Or if it's the Valentine's Day something that is really unique that people would love to give to others. Christmas the same, Father's Day the same. So be mindful about what kind of items you can create, and guess what? You can create as many as you want with zero limitations. But for now, we're going to focus on what exactly we saw on Etsy. So we're going to search for denim jackets. Let's see, here it is. We're going to start with a female version. Looks really cool, 90% cotton, so good quality, oversized, which is something that people love to wear. I will go right here that says start designing, and here you see the spot for the spot where you can upload your design, right? So you can go right here, my device. I'll use the unicorn keep dreaming design place here, right here. Check it out, it's ready. You can preview by clicking right here. If you want to create your own social media post, right, and promote your products, it looks like that pretty cool, right? You can save the product. Once you're happy with your design, save the selection. The description is already available by Pretty5Wool. How far is it, 5? It gives you exactly what the product is all about. You can enable personalization in case of somebody from your buyers, or do a little twist to the design. And here you see the pricing. So the retail price is $66, and you profit every single time that somebody will buy this product is $26. This is 40% margin without having the product, without having any stock, any warehouse, or even shipping the product to the client, which is a huge pain in the ass. Trust me. So once you're ready, just publish the product, either direct it to Shopify. If you have a store to Etsy, if you have also an Etsy store, by clicking connect to Etsy, or you can connect it to your existing Printify store like I have already. So every time you create a product, you're going to be seeing that in your product list within Printify, and you can have your pop-up store, which means your store within Printify that you can share with anybody and people can buy directly from you. I created my men's denim jacket, as you're going to see right here, with a Viking design that we created together here. It did the same with the female version with a unicorn, as we saw before. This is it right here. And the fun part is that once you create your store with a couple of clicks, you can connect it to so many different options. Like for example, this is my website right here, Simply Digital, which is a WooCommerce store, and I published the product with a couple of clicks, and it's right here ready to start selling. It can be done easier than that, right? So you see right here that it's connected with Delwick Commerce, or do the same with Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and start creating content in order to promote your shop. Amazon, eBay, everything is so easy. All you got to do is have an account, you know those traffic sources, and publish the products directly. Especially if you don't have an audience like I do, which is easier for me to create my own website and bring people to that you can use Etsy and have your own store like this, guys, right here. And every single time that somebody buys from that, they get directly the order to Printify. They will never know about that. And Printify delivers the product to them, giving you your cut, which is 40%. This is insane, right? Let's create another item that I believe is so much trending right now. And it's a cheaper version of Crocs. People are getting crazy with pop-up artistic creative. Shoes like these ones that are multi-purpose, they use it to go to the gym instead of slippers at their home or whatever. So I will hit start design, upload my design right here. I'll go with this one. You see that the cut is a bit different. So you need to create something that can be adjusted without cutting too much from your design. I think that looks pretty cool because you have a good per stand of your design in the quote right here. You can select also different products, different colors for your Crocs. Let's go with white. Of course, you can have multiple ones. And once you save it, you see instantly the design photos that look really, really cool, right? I mean, if you come up with something really inspiring, something unique, people will wear it. People will see it on Etsy, on TikTok Shop, on your website, and the chances are they're going to get it. So I'll save this selection again. The retail price is $15 and you get 6 again, 40%. This is a really good margin since we're talking about the drop shipping business right here. As you see, this is being published as we speak, and you can publish multiple products at once in bulk with just a button. This is crazy. You can use my link in the description to check it out. So I'm waiting to see your own products. Please drop them in the comment section. I love seeing your creations. I love seeing you taking actions. After my video, show some love. Hit the like button. It means so much to me. Make sure to watch this video as well for some extra inspiration and some new ideas that you haven't seen before. And until next time, simply, hustler.